Can you try to smile? It's supposed to be a cute show. Hey Chloe.
Hi Daddy.
Welcome to another episode of
Cookin With Chloe.
Hey Chloe, what are we making today?
蚂蚁上树.
What?
蚂蚁上树.
蚂蚁上树. Yeah, we're making a dish called ants climbing trees.
Yeah, ice cream big.
And this is a delicious dish.
We made a lot of videos.
And this is one of my favorite ones to do, just because the name, it just really grabs your attention. Don't worry, it doesn't have any ants in it. What does it have in it, Chloe? What do we have here?
Noodles, green onion, sauce.
Soy sauce.
Soy sauce.
This is dark soy.
Dark soy. Pepper. Green onion.
Noodles. And what's this?
Chicken.
It's not chicken. This is about a handful of ground beef. Now, we're not going to use all of these noodles. I'm only going to use 2 of them. 1, 2. Now, the reason I always buy these when I'm at the store when I see them. These are 3 different companies that are all making this type of noodle, this vermicelli noodle. And what you're looking for is you want the longko. And you see maybe here it's like that longko. And this one says longko. And this one says longko. That's the kind of noodle you want. And it's made from a bean. And there's a lot of different vermicelli noodles out there. But you want to get this one. This one's the best. And this is chili garlic sauce. I think Chloe just said sauce. This dish does have some heat, and since I have some fresh peppers from the garden, I'm going to use those. Well, are you ready to get started?
Yeah!
All right.
Soak your noodles in warm water until they soften. Cut up your green onion, ginger, and garlic. Add hot peppers if you like spicy food. Cut your noodles in half. Cut your ground beef.
Chloe, did you know that you always like this dish?
Ready?
Really? See?
Once it's cut, I like to remove the fat that's cooked out. Add your soy sauce, dark soy, ginger, garlic, peppers, chili garlic sauce, and some water. Taste it to make sure it's good. Add your noodles and your green onion. Add more water and let it simmer. The noodles soak up all the sauce. Looks like it's ready.
Are we gonna try, Chloe? Hold on a second.
I can't get one on the race. I'm working.
How is it, Chloe?
Good.
Is it good? Yeah, very good. Well, do you want to tell everybody thanks for watching? everybody. Thanks for watching.
Bye. Thanks for watching.
We'll see you next time. Take care.
Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Bye-bye.